I pulled my refrigerator out from underneath the counter because I wanted to check it. I wasn't sure if I had left anything in there. And apparently I had the bottom filled up with some cans of soda. And my Dr. Pepper kind of took a little bit of disliking to all the sub-zero temperatures. So I guess I've got a little bit of a mess I'm going to have to clean up here at some point. Because right now, I think that's all pretty solid. And I just want to point out that this video comes to you through my new Wolfbox G900 dash cam mirror. And I'll be doing a video on this very shortly. We're not too far away. We have to cross over one of two dams that make up the Stewart's Pond recreational area. And this lower dam is called Stewart's Dam, and we'll be approaching that very shortly. We have to cross over the top of the dam, get over to the other side, and there's a small parking area, and generally that will give you pretty optimal viewing conditions to see the eagles, and it's not unusual to find photographers there. Okay, here we start to go over the dam. We have had super frigid temperatures for a few weeks, so I'm sure there's enough ice buildup to where the county workers feel safe to walk out on the ice and drag the carcasses out there. I already see a few cars here, and it looks like I see a couple eagles out there as well. We'll see if we can get some video footage.